All right, so today, let's go to Lake Garda in Malcesine, Italy. Malcesine, sorry. This is room number 25 at the Eco Hotel Ariston. Coming in the front door, this is your view. We are immediately greeted by the castle with Lake Garda, shores of Lake Garda, mountains in the distance. But I'll take a step back into the room here first. So there's a full-size mirror, a desk workspace here for 2 people. There's a mini bar in there. Looking at the panoramic view, this is wall-to-wall windows. Here's the view from the king-size bed. There's a nice size TV here. There's plenty of storage space, a room safe, closet area here. Let's take a look outside on the balcony here. Hotel has very nice gardens in the front. And then back in the room. I didn't show you the bathroom yet. Let's take a look here. That's a nice view. There's a walk-in shower, the rainfall shower head. Nice vanity area here. And again, this is room 25 on the 4th floor at the Eco Ariston Hotel in Malcesine, Italy at Lake Garda.